This is Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today we will show how you can download, install, and start playing the Fortnite game on it. So as we all know, unfortunately you cannot get the Fortnite directly from the Google Play Store. Thus, the first step that you need to take is to launch any search engine that you'd like. I'll go with Google. Then at the search bar of chosen search engine, type in Fortnite APK. Among the search results, you want to go for the epicgames.com official website. Once at the website, go for the download the app from Epic Games hyperlink. Wait until the download process will be started, confirm it, download anyway. Now we can start installing the Epic Games launcher, but prior to being able to, it is required that we allow Google Chrome or any other browser or search engine that you use to install unknown apps, which you can do by simply turning this toggle on. Now we'll update/install the Epic Games launcher. After that, we'll simply launch it. In here, you want to tap this black Get button located in front of a Fortnite. Once in here, tap on this yellow install button, which will actually first of all download the needed files. So let's wait. Alrighty, prior to starting the installation process of the Fortnite itself, it is required that we do the same give it the same permission that we gave the Google Chrome in my case, which is switching on this allow to install unknown apps toggle. Now we'll confirm the installation. After that, all that it's left to do is to launch the Fortnite game itself and wait until it will download all the needed resources, updates, textures, and whatever other files it needs. And after that, you'll be able to start playing the game itself. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.